Well, thank you again for joining me on this channel. Today I want to share with you spiritual work that you can prepare by yourself that can pull sales to you. It will pull sales, it will pull clients, it will pull business for you. Do you sell online or offline? This spiritual work I'm going to share with you is going to assist you in pulling customer and sales to you. Are you into the work of selling, or you are into having gigs and you need more gigs? This spiritual work is for you. Once you begin to apply this spiritual work, you will begin to get more gig to yourself, and you will begin to get more sales to yourself. Or what you are doing is you require to have crowd in your business. This spiritual work is also for you. So, and the item you need are very close by to you. So welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I encourage you to hit the subscriber button and also put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload another video, you will be notified. Thank you very much. So what are the items you need for this spiritual work that you need to do? The very first thing you need to get is you need just coconut. You need 3 coconuts like this, 3 big coconuts like this. This is one, so you need 3 of these 3 coconut. That's the very first thing you need. The next thing you need is you need the seawater. Seawater. You need seawater. What's the quantity of the seawater you need? You just need 100 milliliter. Just 100 ml. That's what you need for the seawater. What's the next item you need? You also need the cube sugar. You need a cube sugar, not the granulated sugar. We have different ones where I reside. This is one of the brands that we have. We have the St. Louis, so we have other ones. So you need the cube sugar. When you open the cube sugar, this is how the sugar inside is a cube. This is how it looks like. So that's why I said you don't need. You need this. You need. You're not the granulated one. So you need the cube sugar, the seawater, then you need 3 coconuts like this. Then you need also 3 6-flower perfume. I'm trying to look for my 6-flower perfume here. It's not here. So you also need the 6-flower perfume. You need 3 of it. 3 6-flower perfume. You need 3 6-flower perfume. Those are the 3 items you need, plus your Bible, and then you need your soap. Now, if you are using the tablet soap that is in Nigeria, if you are a female, you need 7. If you are a male, you need 9. If you are not using a tablet soap, then what some people also refer to it as a bar soap. So if you are using a bar soap or a tablet soap, if you are a female, you need 7. If you are a male, you need 9. But if you are using the Ghana black soap or the Nigerian black soap, you just need to take 9 handfuls of that black soap, Ghana or Nigeria own if you are a male, or 7 handfuls of that black soap if you are a female. So those are the items you need to prepare this soap. And I can tell you, this soap, if you give it a trial, your sales will skyrocket. Your business will pick up very fast. So how do you prepare it? What are the steps? So that's why you need to please pay attention to the end, because there are instructions that you need to follow to get the required result for this spiritual work, for it to skyrocket your sales. So what are the steps you need to take? The very first step you need to take is for you to get all the cube sugar. You open the 1 packet of the cube sugar you have gotten, and then you get all the sugar out of it. I want to do one, so this is some of the ones I have gotten out. So you get all this sugar out. You go to a corner of your room, either your living room or your bedroom. You now arrange this sugar. You arrange it in such a way that they will have to be on top of each other. Look at, as I'm just trying to use this to demonstrate. You can see. So you can allow them to rest on the wall at the corner. Please, not at the center. It must be at the corner side of your room or your bedroom or your living room. So you can see you arrange this sugar to stand on top of each other like this. You can arrange 4 rows, and then you start stacking it on each other till all the sugar in the packet is empty and arranged in that order, in that corner. And once you have done that, you leave that sugar in that position for the next 2 to 3 days. Now, you leave it there on the floor, arrange, stack on each other. Now, what will happen after the second, third day? Let me tell you. Once you visit or you observe, you go to the site you have arranged and stack that cubes of sugars, what do you need? You will notice ants should have gathered that sugar. Ants should have gathered that sugar. If ant hasn't gathered that sugar, then there is something deep that you need to look to about your business, that there is something spiritually deep about your business. Now, if ant has gathered, that is very fine. Then you need to take the next step. Don't try to ward off the ant. Leave the ant as they have gathered the sugar, because that is one of the items also you need. So the next thing you will need, the soap you have gotten. If it is the tablet soap, you should have grated it. You grate that soap down. If it is the black soap, you don't need to grate it, or the Ghana soap. You just use your hand to break it into pieces. So once that's on the third day, the second or third day, and you have seen that the ant has gathered it very well, enough, the next thing you do, you don't need to ward off the ant. All you just need to do is that take your soap that you have grated, or the black soap, use it to cover both the sugar and the ant. Just pour the soap on top of the sugar together with the ant. Now, once you have poured your soap on top of the sugar and the ant, the next thing you need to do is you pack that items, the 3 items, the sugar that is with the ant and the soap. You pack it together, and you pack it into something that you can use to pound or grind to powder all the items. You place it either in a mortar or something that you can use to grind these 3 items to powder smoothly. It may not be to powder, you just grind it so that they can all mix together and it's grinded very smoothly. So it becomes like a paste in your hand. So once you have done the grinding, then you empty it into a package container, and then you add your sea water. You add your sea water, the 100 ml of the sea water, you add it to it, and then you mix it very well to even texture. Once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to extract the water of the coconut from the 3 coconuts that you have gotten. Then you also you mix the coconut water evenly with the soap again. And then the last thing you will need to add, you add the 3/6 flower perfume bottle you have gotten. You empty into the soap again, and you mix it also together with it. Now that once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is to take your Bible. You take your Bible, you empty the soap into the container, white packaging container, and you open your Bible to Psalm 24. You chant it 3 times, and you open to Psalm 72, and you chant that also 3 times, and then you say your prayer that anywhere the sugar is placed, anywhere the sugar is, ant must locate it, ant must gather around the sugar. So also anywhere that your business is, anywhere you go for business, client, customer should gather around you to give you business. You pray, and then you keep the soap. You keep the soap for 7 days. Please, you keep that soap for 7 days, and then you start using that soap after the 7th day to take your bath early in the morning. You go get a new sponge, and you start using the soap to bathe early in the morning every day except Saturday and Sunday. So you use it, and I can assure you, you give this spiritual work a trial, and I can assure you, within a short time, you will be amazed how you will start getting business. So if you haven't subscribed, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel. If you want to reach out to me, my phone number is right down there at the description section. So check it out and then reach out to me. Thank you for all the people that have been reaching out to me, and all the people that has been helping me, paying for me, data, sending me one gift or the other to help subscribe for the internet. so that I can keep uploading the video. And those that I've been doing some spiritual work for and sending to, thank you all over the world. I want to say I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you very much. See you some other time.